Today we're installing the Madjax Brush Guard designed for the Yamaha Drive 2. Before we get started, you want to engage the parking brake and turn the key to the off position. We're going to remove our factory bumper with a 12mm wrench and socket. There's 4 bolts located on the frame, 2 at the rear and 2 in the front. The front 2 will have a nut on the bottom side. I'm going to take the bumper off and then I'll show you these mounting locations. You'll notice the 4 mounting locations here on the back side of the bumper. Here's the 2 rear bolts, and the 2 front bolts go here with the nuts on the bottom side of the frame here. This is where the front bolts are mounted and the rear bolts are mounted. Keep all of your hardware. On the back side of the brush guard, you'll see the 4 mounting locations, 2 in the front here, 2 in the rear. We're going to attach the 2 rear screws first. Do not fully tighten. We're going to attach the longer bolts that we pulled out of the frame to the front holes and secure with the nut from earlier. Once all 4 bolts are in place, you want to step back, make sure that the brush guard is in place. Then you can secure it with a 12mm socket and wrench. Now you're finished installing the Madjax Brush Guard designed for the Yamaha Drive 2.